It's a little sketchy, it's fine. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is James. The channel has been a little bit maintenance heavy the last little while, and if that's not your thing, I do apologize, but it's what's being done around here, so it's what you're gonna see. I just wanted to do a quick little update on my French drains. Have a look here. We did get a little bit of rain last night. I don't know if you can see that right through there. Nice and dry, so that's great. That's my one section of perforated pipe that I put in. Something that you guys probably didn't see, because I haven't made a video on it yet, is this dry patch right here. I do have my French drain, or it's a solid 4-inch pipe coming up here, but right in there somewhere I installed a Y, and I came out here with a 10-foot section of pipe, and then it ends. The purpose of that pipe, I want to kind of swale this whole parking area. I hope that's the right term. Anyways, I want any of the water that's going to accumulate in this parking area during a downpour to run to this area here and disappear. And I haven't really done a good job of that yet, but you can tell already any moisture in that area is disappearing. So it appears that this French drain is doing exactly what it needs to do. So today we have a chance of thunderstorms, so I'm going to do a job that will not be adversely affected by weather. I'm going to pressure wash the excavator. That's a great job to do in the rain because, you know, God forbid the excavator gets wet while I'm pressure washing it. I'm ready to go here for the oil change on the final drive, or the planetary gearboxes back there, whatever you want to call them. So I'm just going to clean this up a little bit with the pressure washer so that we can be ready to go for that. I'm going to see if I can get Julie out here to do that with me. She's expressed a little bit of interest in doing some of the maintenance on this machine since she has grown so fond of it. So let's go get the pressure washer. So I won't connect this to the actual wand yet because I like to hook up the water supply and turn it on. Let that flow for a while to push all of the air out of the system. Otherwise my pressure washer gets airlocked and it's a real pain. So I'm gonna go grab the garden hose. Those frost-free garden hose connections are awesome. The actual valve is down at the footing of the house, and that's just an extended spindle that runs down that pipe. Takes a while for the water to get up here. This hose is definitely prone to kinking. There we go. See all the air coming out? If I connect this up to the wand right now and try pressure washing, just nothing but problems. May as well check oil. Lots of oil. I'm probably going to go get some gas before we do this. That's pretty good for air. Fuel this up. Alright, I gotta move this pressure washer somewhere where the earth is a little more solid. If I try to run it here on this new gravel, it's just gonna vibrate itself down and it'll be looking like this in no time. Alright, there's going to be a lot of mud and dirt and dust and rocks and stuff coming off this thing when I pressure wash it, so I'm going to move it down onto this area of my trail here where I don't yet have any of the new gravel, just because I don't want to pressure wash it on top of the new gravel, because then I'll just have mud on top of it. It'll make a mess. I don't want that. So let's move this thing. It's a little sketchy, it's fine. Undoubtedly, there's going to be people that didn't like what I did there. Had the hydraulics activated and I was reaching in to run the tracks. It's not ideal. I don't recommend it. But sure is a great way to clean the track off when you're working by yourself. I have had Dad run that for me in that position, and that's a good option as well. So let's go have a look at a clean track and then go to the other side and have a look at what it looked like before I started. Nice and clean. It'd be nice if it would stay looking like that all the time, but it's not really a possibility. And then this is what they look like before. Actually, the other side was worse. I should have had a video of that side before I cleaned it. All of this material stuck up all in there on the other side was through all the way. You could see it at the top of the track in the frame rail over there. It was really bad. This side's not so bad. So we'll get this camera set back up and we'll get this side cleaned up as well. And then I'm going to be pretty happy with that. I wonder if I should change that bucket today. What's the next job? I'm not sure. For now, we'll just keep cleaning. Well, I guess that's going to be it for this video. Who doesn't like a good pressure washing video, eh? I mean, that's probably overkill, really, but sometimes it's nice just to get all that dried mud and crud and rocks and stuff out from underneath. You know, you're driving the machine somewhere where you wouldn't think the tracks are making noise, like one of my last videos. And then all of a sudden, you're hearing noises. You're hearing scraping and crunching and creaking coming from down underneath. And to me, that's all that buildup from all of the previous jobs you've been doing. So, I mean, whether you believe in it or not, or you're one of these people that that thinks you're doing more damage than good by pressure washing, and that may be true when you're talking about machinery and bearings and that sort of stuff. But I mean, that makes me happy getting the machine like that. So, if you made it to the end, thanks very much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Doesn't cost anything, and it helps the channel out a great deal. Thank you very much, guys. We'll see you in the next one.